Okay, we are on the Chevelle and Randy's making gaps fit. The trunk wasn't too great, so he had to straighten out here and file some off to make that edge straight. And the quarter panel was all crooked here, so he's had to remove pieces there and weld them back in so that we'll have a decent body line going there. So we'll come back and have a look later once he's doing some welding. Oh, he's smiling about it. So yeah. We will be back. Okay, we'll have a quick look at the Chevelle. They've been doing body work on it. I don't know what we showed you guys last. We had to cut these quarters, pull it in, re-weld it up. We're doing the same here with this so we can get some decent gaps. You see where we had to split it there. We'll have to put a piece back in and weld it all up. Well, it's got most of the body work happening on this. And this car had a little bit of surface rust in areas along the window openings, some in the jambs. So these guys are just going to pull the doors and fenders off. Oh, there's Mr. Yappy. Pull the doors and fenders off so that they can go out and sandblast some of this just light orangey surface rust. It'll be the easiest way to get rid of it. So yeah, we'll be back as they pull the doors and fenders off, get it outside, do some blasting. We'll give you a quick video of that, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Okay, we got the Chevelle out doing some blasting. We got some ferocious winds today, unfortunately. But yeah, we're gonna supposed to have some, I don't know, 90K winds coming up today. But see if we can get all the little areas of this cleaned up down there. Up along the top. Yeah, he's doing it pretty good, looking good. So hopefully we can get it cleaned up before the big rain comes. Supposed to get some bigger winds today. I don't know what's going on now, maybe 30 or 40 day or something. We'll get it done up and get it back inside. Okay, we'll be back to show you some more action as we go. Okay, thanks for watching. We're back out for a quick look. On the back end now, cleaning up good. Few spots that I'm back at through, but it's clean as I got. Trunk now, and get the engine back there, do around the window. Yeah, it's coming along pretty good. So then we'll be able to put some primer on this car pretty soon, which would be nice. Okay, we'll be back. You can see how windy it is, blowing the trees around. It's blowing some jerry cans around too, but anyway, he is getting it over there. Move him around to the other side once he gets the back done. Better give him a hand, and I'll let you guys down while I do that. Okay, back in the shop after being sandblasted, and Brady's just vacuuming it all up. Seems like the sand comes out for a lifetime after you sandblast one of these things. But I'll vacuum it all up now, and probably 100 more times before we'll open on it. That sand just literally gets everywhere. But yeah, the edges all look real good now. Cleaned up some surface rust that has been on the car, and we should be able to get it pretty close to in primer here soon. Okay, we'll go back to show you more in a while as we progress and get it ready for primer. Thanks.